Hey everybody, so we just finished answering when will the temperature be 50 degrees. We came out with approximately 10 minutes, and our exponential equations for the Newton's law of cooling is U of t equals 30 plus 45 e to the negative 0.08109 t. And the next thing that we wanted to address was determine the elapsed time before the object is 35 degrees. And so we're going to set u of t equal to 35 and solve for t. And so we can start off by subtracting 30 to both sides. Dividing both sides by 45, and so then simplifying that to 1/9 equals e to the negative 0.08109 t. And you're probably getting to this point where you're like, oh my goodness, I got a natural log both sides, the t comes down. Feel free, like when you get to this point, just to go to your answer, right? Because it's going to be t equals natural log of 1/9 divided by the k. So just taking my time, I'm going to natural log both sides. And the negative 0.08109 t comes down as a factor. Natural log of e is 1, so we can divide both sides by the negative 0.08109. This is going to leave me with natural log 1/9 divided by negative 0.08109. And when we punch that in our calculator, it's about 27 minutes. The last question is, what do you notice about the temperature as time passes? Meaning, let's go back and just review what's happening. So we have an object that's heated to 75 degrees and it's cooling in a room whose air temperature is 30 degrees. And so what we're seeing is that after 5 minutes, the temperature of this object is 60 degrees. After 10 minutes, we found that the temperature of the object is 50 degrees. And we just solved that when the temperature is 35 degrees, it took 27 minutes. So what this last part is asking is, what do you notice about the temperature as time is passing? So being that the temperature of the surrounding medium is 30 degrees, as time passes, you're going to find that u of t is going to approach 30 degrees. So for this last part, we can use the arrow notation. So as t goes to infinity, u of t approaches 30 degrees Celsius. And that's the last part. Alright, we have finished 4.8, and just keep studying for that test and working on your homework, and you got this. Alright, later.